In crypto, speed...
Oh, oh, it's coming.
In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer, not by us. This segment was designed to be for entertainment purposes only. Thank you so much for coming in today. Smash that golden like button, guys. Smash that golden like button. What we like to do, we got the ring-a-ding-dong, ring-a-ding-ding, and a ring-a-ding-ding. And with that bell, you can find us over there on YouTube. And over there on Kick and Rumble, we also are expanding our broadening our horizons, guys. The Brew Crew is in all angles of the Natural Dome. So thank you guys for coming on in. Now, I want to tell you something. I want to give a shout out, to our sponsors, Caleb & Brown. Now, I like Caleb & Brown because, I don't necessarily like cold storage. And they pretty much do it all for you. So the low fees and the simple, easy to use, and they'll buy and sell for you guys. You got the nice little brokerage right there. If you don't know what the heck you're doing, go ahead and give them a call, and they can even talk to a broker and figure it all out. I'm being called. Just a second. There we go. All right. What's up, Axe221? What is up, dude? Me, not you. What is up, guys? Today, I have a cider. I don't go buy ciders. There was this gift to me, and so I will drink it, and I'm going to do it with a smile on my face, and I'm going to tell you what I think, because the last time I had a cider, particularly an Angry Orchard, there you guys go, is back in, like 14 years ago or something like that, a long time ago. Like, there was, when I first started, I was like, I don't really like beer. I like the sweeter stuff, and then I had a couple of these, and I had the worst hangover of my life. I was like, man, that's way too sweet, too much sugar. So, hey, cheers, man. Cheers to Christmas tips or garbage men, because Lord knows we need them after the stuff we go through and see. It's not really a pop, but I'll pop with my little chump eating bottle capper. You didn't really see it, guys. I mean, you can't hear it. Just how it smelled, green apple, Angry Orchard, gluten-free, 5% volume. I'm sure it's sweet. That's not bad. Kind of makes me think of wine, actually, like a sweeter Riesling. Yeah, I drink everything, man. I like everything. But I'm not an alcoholic because I can control myself. No, that's a rare gift you find these days. You kind of like Angry Orchards? Which ones do you like, man? You like them sweet, mellow ones? I could actually probably mix Angry Orchard with something. I probably would like it better if it wasn't in a brown bottle. I don't really like brown bottles, man, to be honest. Like, even Modelo has brown bottles, and it's kind of like a little turnoff. Like, I like Corona. Probably because it's clear. I like being able to look at my liquid. All right, let's just, we're gonna watch the Jake Paul fight today. It's one of the reasons why we came on earlier. There's some other preliminary fights. Oh, you guys know what I'm saying. And I don't really care too much about him. I just want to see Jake get messed up. All right, let's throw ourselves on the screen. Boom. Maybe we can take up bubbles first. What the hell? We'll do it out of order a little bit. Okay, man. Altcoins rally, right? I titled that myself. I was like, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do altcoins rally. Bitcoin primed. Hope I clickbaited every single one of you guys. Sui up 10%, dude. Sui up $1.46. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at Sui in the last year. Been beaten down with a fat stick. Same thing with Ondo, dude. Ondo's been beaten down too. Look at that. Isn't that like a bear market if you've ever seen one? What do we else got? Zcash is doing good today, though. Not bad. Hey, that's a lower high. I'm nervous. It's about to go down. Facts. Pepe. Also beating down Zebek. We can go take a look at Zebek, John. Just for you. I don't think your name is actually John in real life. That's the funny part. Is I just got used to calling you John. Is it actually John? I would be funny because I should have been calling you John forever. Zebek is up at the current moment. I would expect it to come back down to 0012-ish range. I'm just going off of bubbles. But it did have a freaking good day. Oh my goodness, up 15% for the day. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. It is a little bit of retracement. I don't know if it's opium or what's going on with it. We're just doing things all over the place. That's okay, guys. We'll just jump in over. Oh, that's right. I did know that. I do remember your name now. But I still might call you John, though, because it's just stuck. Are you okay with that? If not, I will call you Donovan. I can if you want. I could do that. It's kind of like my online name, and when I do gaming, it's God's Man. I'm not going to tell you how I spell it because then I'll get a gajillion friend requests over time. But that is my name. Maybe I'll tell some people someday because it'll be fun to play. Maybe it's something you have to have like in the Discord. You have to do that in the Discord to come join me. Come join me in some gaming. Wow, we did break above the 200. We're doing pretty good. I would expect a slight pullback, maybe down to on the 1 hour. I don't know, like 2675. Get a little pullback, maybe possibly continuation. Let's see what the 4 hour says. If the 4 hour saying that, the 4 hour does look like continuation. We did have a nice double bottom right there. Look at the manipulation. Boom, boom, boom. Pushed us down. We do have a little bit more to go in the 4 hour. We could touch that 200. Yes, we can. See, that is at 285. 285. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. Even the 12 hour still shows we can go up a little more. Yeah. We can go up to 285. Maybe we got a little retracement and then we continue up to 285. Look at that. Daily candle straight up to 21. And we got momentum. Yeah, it's going to keep going. It'll keep going. I don't know where exactly it's going to stop yet. Well, let's kind of scroll, shrinking. Yo, what up, Daily? What's cracking? Hey, did you guys see that when I first started the stream, I was trying to do the Caitlin and Brown part. I kept turning it on and off. Like, gosh dang it. Don't double click it. Just single clicks only. There's bullish engulfing candle. That's not bad. We like bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing means possible reversal. VWAP going up. Zebek, shrink going up. Stokes RSI low. Hey, John, you know what? I might take this back. I was looking at bubbles and it didn't look overly great, but now I'm looking at it like the actual charts. It doesn't look bad. You keep going, dude. I mean, the 200 and the 12 hour is at 35. I do think we might get a little bit pullback though. Just that 1 hour just looks like a little iffy to me. I mean, haven't fully. Well, it's going to close in about a minute and a half. It does look a little iffy though. Okay, that might be the pullback. Tell me on the 15-minute, we only came down to the 21. Yeah, it's possible. I mean, down all the way to the 26 does not seem super likely though. The money flow is good. That red dot, you would be about break even right now. And the VWAP isn't severe either. 5 minute, it did get a rejection. Yeah, maybe that was it, man. I would bet I'd put it on this candle, these next couple candles right here. If we can get a higher high, I think we're still going. Now, if we come up and get a lower high, now we're probably going to do a downtrend. Maybe come down a little lower, like 2.6, and then we might be able to get our move, bounce off it, get that bounce off that purple line, which is the 100-day moving average. Fake news here, Daniel. You know what? You are so sour. You know what? You do need God in your life. You sour grape. I want nothing what's best for you, and I try really hard not to block anybody because I just don't really believe in that in a sense. But man, you should stop being such a little sourpuss. Yeah. Guess what, Daniel? Guess what I can do to you? You can go eat a creamsicle. Yeah, there you go. Now you're in timeout. You're not banned, but you're in timeout. Nothing but complaints. That guy, you need to smile more, Daniel. You know, I probably got some more crazy news than you did. And guess what? I put my faith in the Lord, dude. When I got my news, I said, hey, you know what? We'll get through whatever we got going for us in life. Because that's what I do, man. That is what I do. You know, my wife's always like, how do you not get stressed out? Are you kidding me? Why do I need to get stressed out? That's God's problem. You know, he has a plan. It always works out, man. It always works out. All right, so where am I at? Zebek's news today is 2,000 compliance. What is Zebek's news? Can I? Is it on X, John? You want to say Donovan now? Can I go to Zebek on Twitter? Zebek Network. Is it on here? I'll follow him for that. Ooh, I like the American flag. That's spicy. No, I don't unfollow. Decentralized infrastructure network for seamless flows of real world value. I like that, man. America. Q3, this is November 10th. Here 10 hours ago. ISO 222 is a foundation for global payments with the ISO 222. Now live across the BEX payroll infrastructure. We're improving interoperability across ACH and cross-border payment flows. Payroll. But guys, just listen to this, okay? You know what? I owe this to Zebek. We're going to check this out, what he's talking about. Why are we going to do this, guys? Because we believe in the project.
You can't be competitive in global payments without ISO certification. This is going to be a hard truth that many companies are going to slowly realize in the next couple of months. If an employer is running real-time programmable payroll using Zebek Rails, how would they feel about waiting 2 to 3 days for a cross-border wire to clear when they fund payroll or they pay out to an employee's international bank account? They're just not going to accept that. And in our view, any lag or disruption in the flow significantly reduces our ability to deliver on the commitment to real-time payments, and it will only slow the rate of adoption for Zebek's services with time. So ISO is truly a step change for Zebek and our partners. And with full implementation by the end of the year, we're expecting to see a lot more momentum and growth into 2026. You can't be
sorry, I'll do this later.
Competitive in global payments without payments, and it will only slow the rate of adoption. So ISO is truly a step change for Zebek and our partners. And with full implementation by the end of the year, we're expecting to see a lot more momentum and growth into 2026.
Well, maybe I was done with it. Let's shout out Zebek, guys. 2026, baby. That's gonna be the year. 2026 is the year for well, I should put the dollar sign in there, right? Zebek. I like that, man. What do you guys think? Good. I think it was a pretty solid post. A little bit music going back in here. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Chicka, chicka, train plane. Anything else on Zebek? Zebek joins Nacho Alliance. Nacho cheese. 18. Nacho has been at the forefront of the ISO 222 integration into the US ACH system for many years. Throughout the 2025, Zebek completely upgraded its fiat payroll rails to ISO 222 standards, a noteworthy achievement for a payroll fintech, while continuing to expand its what? Blockchain for blah 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 blah. Couldn't expand as early January. Zebek will become the first blockchain payroll provider to integrate ISO standards across the Nacho network. Hey, let's go Zebek, man. Shout it out, guys. Also, over there on X. I see you, Xers. Hey, if you see me too, please hit that heart. Let's grow the X Brew Crew community. I don't think I shared anything over the anything I needed to today. Dude, today's so long. I got up at 3 this morning, okay? So it's been I've been awake for many hours. It's hard for me to remember what I posted at 3. Oh, that's me. Hey, look at that. I should heart my own video. Lead by example, right? President Trump already sold $1.3 billion worth of gold Trump cards in mere days, shortly after its launch. They will pay millions of dollars. We had a surge, guys. Let's get it on, man. Bring that money back to America. Also, like my post. Jason Appleton posting facts, guys. I actually really thought this was funny. He said, facts. Charles should be polled as a real advisor to save Trump from his son's degen friends and their motives. It's like kids telling parents Roblox is safe and fun and all of their game friends are the same age. Not to worry. It does kind of feel like that, man. I don't know who the Trump insider is, but whomever it is needs to get out of the way for sure. I think he's just causing problems. One of those edges are kind of sharp on the bottle. I was like, is it cut? Glass cut? I gotta check. Let's put a poll in there. What should I say? Would you buy alts right now or BTC? BTC. Nope. BTC. Charles. We're gonna do it like this because I think it looks better official. More officially. BTC or alts right now, guys. You know, I wonder if I should have said BTC or alt or alt or BTC. Guys, I'm dyslexic, guys, so you just have to go with the flow, you know. Just have to go with it. So I'm looking at the chart. We had a couple more candles close into the back. It does look like it's going to come down, take a breather. If this gets a lower low, well, maybe not. I was going to say if this gets a lower low, well, that's probably, you know, retest. Right now we do have a lower high. We need a lower low, and then we know in a downtrend. I do think we might end up getting it because the money flow is coming down. So I would expect a break to possibly this level. Right, we're on the 5 minute, guys. So just chill out for a second because that's not anything huge. Okay, the 5 minutes. You know, boom, boom. You know, those are the zones I would be watching for a rejection off of. Yeah, man, it's cool. It's hip. It's cool. Interesting. We got alts. Hey guys, do you think Daniel's gonna unsubscribe? Put a +1 in the chat. I think Daniel Kaufman's going to unsubscribe. Oh, shoot. That's too funny. All right. We're just kind of jumping all over, guys. So just so you know, you got to hang with me. So I want to take a look at the ETFs. Did the ETFs have an inflow today or an outflow today? Anybody know? John? It says 1. You driving, John? You driving lately? Is it snowing? You guys got snow up there in Canada? Do you have to drive in that crap? I love snow. I hate driving in that. I hate putting chains on too. Bitcoin ETFs. Let's take a look. $2. Hey, Fidelity. They're trying to buy our Graces back. They're the only ones that bought today, but they also dumped heavy the day before. So they're trying to buy our good Graces back after such a heavy dump yesterday. Maybe they just overbought. Well, that's not so bad. I mean, we took in 15 million, you know, our total inflows right now, $57 billion in ETFs for Bitcoin. That's not bad. I take those any days, man. Get all that Bitcoin off the OTC. Negative 20. Buy if so. Drinking Sunday through a blizzard. Oh my gosh. Is it really? Are you saying it's negative 20 there? Did I read that right? Yeah, nah, man. That's way too cold for me. Let's check out Ethereum right now, guys. Ethereum ETF. Bada bing, bada boom. Wow, nothing, guys. Nothing. Bitcoin took in. Ethereum did not have an outflow or inflow today, and they were sitting on $12 billion of total inflow. So take that as you want. Not as good as Bitcoin, but Solana and XRP have not been out as long, so you gotta give them grace. Solana, what we got? Oh, look at Solana bringing in, man. They beat Ethereum today. Did not beat Bitcoin, though. We had Bitwise buying $1.7 million of Solana. Van Eck bought $400K of Solana. I like always how they do round numbers. Fidelity Capital bought $1.5 million. brings us total to a 3.6 million. Now let's scroll down. 123 million total inflow. So it's very far off of either, but they're accumulating. So whether we like it or not, it's doing good. It's doing good. Now my favorite one is XRP. So let's take a look at XRP. Yes, no outflows, guys. Actually, everybody mimicked each other from yesterday. Another 6.89 million Franklin, and another 3.65 for Bitwise, and Grayscale another 10.1. 10.1. Maybe I'm misreading that because I swear they copy each other every now and again. And I'm like, oh yeah, I guess they no 3.5. No, I can't. I have to be misreading that. That'd be too coincidental for them all to match, right? I think maybe it is glitching out. Well, no wait, I got it. I figured it out. No wait, maybe I didn't. No, yes I did. I did. Today is the 19th, right? Or maybe it's the 19th. Snow all over the place. Dude, you serious right now, bro? Oh, man, I can't stand this. Hey, I saw on TikTok today snow fleas. Are snow fleas a thing in Canada? I saw that for the first time. And ew, gross. I hate fleas regular. Snow fleas have to be even worse. All right, well, there you guys go. It was a good day all around for the ETFs. Let's head on over to the biggest gainers and losers today. We had some pretty good gainers today, so this would be pretty nice. Nobody, ain't nobody, up 117%. Nobody heard of that before. I've never heard of Light. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it. I don't know what SOF is. I want to say SOFI, but I don't know what that is. Facts. It is SOFON, so it's not even SOFI, it's SOFON. I have no idea what it is. I'm not endorsing them. I bet you we have Zabek in here. Zora up 18%. Zora and Zabek seem to like have a really good equilibrium and going up and down at the same time. Oh no. Yeah, I knew I was going to see Zabek in here. Zabek did have a good day, man. People coin up 13.5%. Dude, I remember telling my wife to buy this a long time ago as a joke. I even put it in her bubbles just to see if she would do it. Excuse me. Wow, what the hell? Look at that. Woof. Does not look like a pretty chart to me. Let's check out the biggest losers. Zcash coming at 13.2%. Anybody here says coins that have a large market cap can't move? That's full of crap, dude. Large market cap coins have no problem moving. It's nothing's really down today, guys. I actually did a short. I was thinking about putting it in the call group. I was trading some Bitcoin today. I had a good short. Well, it was good for me. I don't go after crazy high numbers. I don't need that. I closed it out like 5.5% profit on a short. I'm like, yeah, I was playing the 15-minute. But hey, you try trading and being proactive. It's not as easy as you think. I'm like sitting there glued at the chart. Snow all over the place. Shogun Tycoon, Franklin, Jelly My Jelly. Ooh, Jelly My Jelly and Kabuto got the butts beat. So did Franklin. Gross. I like this one too, guys. Token unlocked. We're just gonna take a peek. It shows what the next token is when it's being unlocked. How much of it is being unlocked? 1.8% of its market cap of this ASI. It's not the real ASI. It's a different ASI being unlocked. This is called Sender. Now, I'd be like, if I was ASI, I'd be like, dude, that's copyright infringement, like 100%. I'd be like, get out of here. But I don't know, right? Melania's has an unlock coming up here in tomorrow, actually. 2.5% of Melania will be unlocked. Hey, guys, I'm not saying anything, but maybe it's a good time to short Melania if they're having an unlock, right? It's a meme coin. Memes, number go up, right? Well, there's that. Let's take a look at where our liquidity is. Liquidation levels, liquidation map. You want to pop this person right here. We need Bitcoin to get up to 88,878. Oh, they're going to start adding to the number and move their little price target. Right now, it actually looks like more longs are piling in, man. Red wave is bigger than the green wave. Interesting. That's on the 1 day. Check out the 7 day. And the shorts are still meaning. 30 day shorts are still dominating. I'm trying to get better at not saying That's like my least favorite word. Woo! Look at that, man. Like, if I was anybody looking at this, dude, I would say screaming short, dude. Look at that liquidity down there. It wants to pop like nobody business. Dude, look at it. It's trading up. It's going to Bart Simpson right back down. Boom, and snag all this up and close right here. That's what's going to happen. Hello, 86,100, 86,160 bucks, whatever that is. Guys, you're killing me on these longs, man. Look at that. It's screaming wanting to come down and pop that. I mean, you could try to pop a little bit of this and then go back down, but I don't know, man. That's like a screaming little market makers. The market makers are mean right now, too, because they lost all that money on October 10th of trying to get them books straight before the end of the year. Lower high, higher low. The bigger liquidity is above us. I don't know, man. I think we're going to go down the short term. Should we take a look at Bitcoin in the short term? How about silver though, man? Silver's been hot, dude. This is where I shorted, guys. So check this out, okay? I'll show you. I put my short in right here, right? And I was watching it, and I was like, I think it's gonna fall through. I saw the X. That's one of the reasons why I got in. I was looking at this. I was thinking a lower high. You know, I saw a swing down like this. Like, okay, I like that. Didn't get above it. We saw it coming down. I might even put my short in right here. I put my short in. I was watching it, and I was like, oh, we can't break above the 21. I was still watching it, and boom, like this, right? We came up. Well, I wasn't super concerned yet. Like, at first, I was like, wow, that's a lot of green. I'm like, I'm going to keep watching it because I was zoomed out looking at this, too. I was like, let's check it out, man. If it makes even a lower, there's your lower high. Didn't even close up there, though. I was like, it didn't break above it. I was like, I'm not worried. It's coming back down. And it did come back down, closed right there. And within an hour, my trade came down, and I was looking at it right here. And I closed out my trade. Peak profit, bro. Boom. Killed it. I was like, done. I'm out. And I was looking at getting a re-entry. What's up, Anthony? Vince, how you doing, brother? I was looking about getting into an entry, maybe a long, but I was like, maybe I will. I'm not sure. And then I saw I got busy, so I wasn't able to pull it off. But I was watching it. I was like, maybe there's a lower high. I might be able to catch a short squeeze. I was thinking about shorting it right here. Did not do it. But right now, I'm watching this whole thing and kind of play out. And, you still got the lower high there and a lower high here. So I'd be leaning towards possibly another short, but though you got a higher low right here. Boom, 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 boom. There's my pink pen. You got a higher low here or lower. That's where your low is. This is your higher high, and this is a higher high right there. And then you get this is your high, and you got this high, and now you got this high. So we're consolidating. We are making a pennant. Are we going to break up? Or are we going to break down? That is the question. What do you guys think? Up or down right now? Up or down? I'm leaning towards... Well, it hasn't made a green dot yet in the 15 minute. I would like to see it break down. Yeah, there we go. It looks like it's starting to break down. We have to wait and see how it acts around this resistance. So that's a lot of resistance that has to fall through. If it falls through, bro, boom, we'll come right back down to 86,000. It's snagging up that liquidity I was telling you guys about. Where's that liquidity at? It's at 86,172 bucks. Okay, so I think we're gonna come down to 86,172 bucks. So yeah, man. Let's see it snap down, man. Right here. That's a pretty slick spot, man. That's pretty far below. You guys, how do you guys think? Gonna go down or gonna stay up? Zerka, what's up, man? Down, I think. Oh, we have +1 for Zerka. How's it going with you, man? Dude, I had an hour-and-a-half meeting with management today because they were accusing me of stupidity. And I was like, guys, do I look like a moron? I'm like, no, absolutely not. They might be watching my stream right now. Guys, nobody clip this. Oh, maybe clip it. Wouldn't be a bad thing to do it full time. Trump is giving a live conference right now about the economy. Is he? Is he talking, though, right now? If he's talking... It might be worth watching. I seen him talking about like the medical stuff. Share tab instead. Let's see. Boom, dude. I was watching this one. This is right before I got on the stream. Look, goosh. Watch him go out, dude. This is the
uppercut there, David. Hey, it
look
was
at him go.
absolutely
Look,
beautiful.
he's going down. Boom.
Wow. Jones, Anderson, Silva.
What's funny
I
is
still
when he tried to
wouldn't
get
put
up,
that
dude.
past him either. I bet they can find a way to make
Oh,
that
look at that
happen.
go,
And
man.
Anthony Joshua,
Ooh,
that's
that's-
right uppercut there,
look at
David.
him.
Hey, it was absolutely beautiful.
Dunzo.
50 years.
But I was watching that fight, and so the guy goes down, right, and he gets stands up, and the guy's like, "Hey, are you good? You gotta go over there and fight. You gotta fight right now." And he was like, "Oh, okay," and he kind of stood there. He was just out of it, bro. What? They are morons for sure, dude. I know, bro. I want to watch Jake Paul one, dude. This isn't live. This is clipped 32 minutes ago. Trump's on a roll right now. Hillary was a nasty. Was a nasty. I'm going to use the B where my wife would not be happy. Who? I would not want to go home to Hillary. She was a nasty. Hillary was much higher IQ than Kamala, probably 50, 60 points higher. She is nasty.
It was too big, so it came back. What an evening. That was, what was better, 2016 or 2024? Tell me.
Can't turn it off anymore.
I don't know. 2016 was pretty monumental. What was better? I don't know. Beating Hillary was fun. Well, Hillary has a much higher IQ than Kamala. I would say, I think Hillary has probably 50 or 60 points higher. Now, Hillary was smart. She was nasty. Whew, I wouldn't want to go home to her. She was nasty. Remember, she was a nasty person. I was going to use the B word. I said, my wife would not be happy.
It's probably on the White House page too. White. Yeah, they are live, huh? Well, let's take a look. I mean, we'll watch it. If you don't find it super interesting, we can get out.
Then they said, no, go out. You can do it. And then he gave her another left jab. That was it. And she said, nope, I can't do it. It's so demeaning to women. And they don't stop. I saw the other day on one of the shows, I think Meet the Fake Press. I'm pretty sure it was that stupid show. And they had a congressman that you all know, a Democrat, saying, no, we have to allow men to play in women's sports. Where do these people come from? Or how about open borders? They're fighting for open borders. If I didn't get elected, our country would be ruined. We would have not had a country. I'm telling you, I'm not bragging about myself. I'm saying we would not have had a country. And now we have the greatest country in the world. I'm telling you,
Greatest
hottest,
country in the
hottest.
world.
We're restoring the name of a great president, William McKinley, to Mount McKinley in beautiful Alaska. That they took the name off.
Mount Alaska.
And they named it something else. And I renamed the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America.
That's right. I was looking at that hat too.
That was a good one.
Oh.
Well, I checked for my whole life. I don't know. I guess I didn't do it in my first term because I was the hunted. I had bigger problems. I had these animals trying to attack me at Mar-a-Lago.
Yeah, you did,
I
dog.
went into my wife's closet, and I'll say this. Number one, it's very bad, but it sounds a little strange. They looked at her drawers. You have drawer, and then you have drawer. They looked at both. And she's a very meticulous person, like these people, just like she'd fit into your group very well. She'd be very happy with her, but everything is perfect.
Witch shot, man.
Her undergarments, I want to use a nice, sometimes referred to as panties, are folded, perfect, wrapped. They're like so perfect. I said, that's beautiful. It's the part of the world she came from. Everything was perfect, no problem. Fold, fold, fold. I think that she steams them, make sure. Just that
Steams for underwear.
we came home. I wasn't there when the raid took place. A raid of a popular president, a former president. She opened the drawers and it was not that way. They were a mess. It was all over the place. And she said, oh, what happened? That's so terrible, but it's terrible. They went into my young boy's room. These thugs are disgusting, and we cannot let them get away with this stuff. We have all the evidence now. We have all the evidence, and we have to do something about it. We have to do something about it.
But the judges are
It's
messed
illegal,
up, man.
and it's disgusting.
You gotta get the corrupt judges out of there. Then we can start making them arrests.
You know, I brought a lawsuit, and I'm winning the lawsuit. There's only one problem. I'm the one that has to settle it. In other words, I am suing, and I'm the one that's supposed to settle it. So maybe I'll give myself $1 billion and give it all to charity. Does that make sense? You know, I'll give it to charity. Do you have any nice charities? I have to settle the lawsuit. There's never been a case like this. Trump sued. I sued a long time ago, and it's doing fine. It's a suit. And now, you know, we found all this stuff. Did you see where the FBI didn't want to do it, but the Justice Department forced them to do it? The FBI guys didn't want to do it, but the thugs and the DOJ wanted to do it. So I sued them, and and they do say that, you know, it's never been a case like this. Donald Trump sues the United States of America. Donald Trump becomes president, and now Donald Trump has to settle the suit. I hereby give myself $1 billion. Actually, maybe I shouldn't give it to charity. Maybe I should keep the money. No, a lot of people say, do it. No, I don't want to do it. But whatever happens, it's all going to good charities. Is that okay? It's all going to good charities. But isn't that a strange position to be in? I've got to make a deal. I negotiate with myself. From the skyscrapers of Charlotte.
I don't know. I don't know if he's talking about finances or not, but man, that was funny, man. He was talking about his wife's wardrobe getting looted. Oh gosh, man, too funny, man. We got Bitcoin in the 1 hour. Hey, the 1 hour doesn't look too bad, man. But you know, 200. If like, you know how I was talking about down here, like it got rejected. That was the bottom, and then we went up, right? When we go to the 1 hour, man, we're coming up to that 200 rejection. I mean, could be down, could be down. Yeah, he's just ranting. Oh, dude, I forgot to turn the music back on. Dude, I love it, man. It's ranting. Hey, Boston. I love you too. You want to say hi, everybody? Yeah. Hi, everybody. Hi. Good job, baby. Now go give your mom a kiss and go to bed. Kids, man, they're good. They're good for your soul. Where am I at? Oh, I don't know, man. Let's see here. What do I see? What do I see in the charts? Let's just. We gotta play around a little bit, okay? So I can't just. What the hell type of pattern is that? Whoop, 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 whoop. Manipulation, bro. That's what that is. Almost looks like a diamond pattern. I recognize that pattern. We used that for yesterday's thumbnail. Dude, there's a lot going on right there. A lot of numbers. I drew those lines and I can't even see my own lines. What the hell? Can't grab any of that, dude. What the heck is going on? Why is it inside the candles? Can we keep it on the outside of the candles, please? No? Oh, okay. I guess we can't. Well, anyways, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Pattern, maybe. Maybe iffy. It could break out, guys. It could do it. I don't know, man. It is getting rejected off that 200. It got to get rolling. We do have a little weakness to the downside. It's not guaranteed. The 1 hour, 4 hours also looks still pretty good. And the 12 hour also looks good. Maybe we won't go down, guys. I don't know. The other time frame's looking pretty spicy. I would like to see a pattern come together. This is such a wackadoo pattern, man. Wackadoo pattern. It actually looks like that's the same exact pattern we're inside right now. You know, maybe come down, we break up like that. Boom, like that. Dominance doing? Dominance rose daily. Green dot. Dominance has been soaking up. Bitcoin's been soaking it up. 3 days still look like it still can soak it up too. We broke above the 250. Iffy, man. Iffy. We need the dominance to break down for the altcoins. Maybe the weekly has a double green dot. Oof. Possible rally in sight for the month of January. 2 week hasn't fully clipped. The monthly still kind of wants to break down. We have an X. Though I like the dots down the bottom, man. Like, these ones play out so good. Look at the green dot. We knew we were going to keep moving. This green dot, we knew we started. Okay, fine. We got the fake out. We came back down for a little bit of rally for the crypto alts. And then we got that green dot. And it's just been up since. I wish I could trade coins like this and sit on the monthly. Yep, I'm just making bills every month. A little more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Ethereum. We need some action to happen, man. We got the 2 week closing this week. Oh, nice, dude. I'm gonna dig that. Day and a half. We get those two. We got the 8 day. The 8 day showing weakness to the to the downside, or like not weakness, but not a lot of strength, like fake strength for Ethereum. It wants to go lower. It wants to at least come down to the 2,500 hundo level again. 5 day definitely wants to break lower. 3 day rejection up to 200. Oh, guys, no, say it ain't so. Ethereum going down, man. Down. 2 day breaking below the 21 and the 200. Oh, no, nothing but pain next week, guys. I'm sorry to say it. Tax harvesting is real. It's probably going to likely outcome of what's going to happen. We'll probably get rejection off on those 21, maybe in the 50 day on the daily, and then rejection off and we go down. Yep, it's the likely outcome. It is the likely outcome. You know what we should look at is the bid-fi signals. I was gonna say my favorite signal. Got you guys. I didn't go. I didn't do it. I was thinking about it, but I'm doing a little out an outie. Let's move you around a little bit more. Let's go over here. Pippin short. I wonder how that would have played out. We should look that up. Excuse me. Hey, look at that, guys. Zcash was up 14% today. That played out really good, guys. If you want access to these signals, enter the premium Discord at $2.99. Link bullish. I actually have this setup playing right now. I don't think it went through my price target. It varied. It said 12. Entries are between 12 and 11.8. I don't think I got into it. I did have it. It is in there sitting, chilling. It was chilling, man. I like that one. Whiff with a long position. I wonder how good whiff did today. Scalp signals coming down. We had a long in uni, long in Bitcoin. Hey, 85.5. Wait, that if you would have got in on that entry point, dude, you would have made some money on that, and it did play out. It actually still playing out because it's back up over here. You would be up in profit and almost not double, but like the same amount as your stop loss, I guess. The first bar. Well, that's it on the signals today. I kind of want to look at that Pippin short and that link. I never have looked up Pippin before. It's kind of like a new one for me. Pippin. Now that fight on the 10th round. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of boxing rounds. I didn't think they even went that high anymore. I guess they do. They go to 12, right? Does boxing do 12 rounds? Wow. Okay, so it's Pippin short. On the 1 hour. Take a look over here. They said the Pippin short swing entry point they wanted an entry point on from 44 to 40. This was yesterday at 9 p.m. So it's pretty much like 3 a.m. the day before. 3. Here we go. So they would have said entered at 44. Well, you would have got that, dude. That Pippin short would have played out, man. 44 to 41. You could have got in any on any of these candles, and it said short it to take profit 36, 32, 20, and 25. Boom, 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 boom. You would have hit your 30, 34 right now. So you're gonna be in take profit level 1. So you'd be up on your trade, and they are anticipating a possible more down to the downside. You know, you got your high, there's a lower high, there's a lower high, could be more. We got the red dot coming down on the 1 hour, 4 hour on Pippin. You got there's your high, there's a lower high, there's a lower high. This kind of look like a little double bottom, but the money flow is still kind of going down. Yeah, you know, that probably is a good Pippin trade, you know. Momentum still going down the 12 hour. Daily look at starting to go down too. Money flow is still pretty thick though. What is Pippin? Is Pippin just a meme? Is that anybody know? It's been out for a long time. I mean, it came out on MEXC back in November 2024, so it's been out for almost 2 years. I think it depends on fight agreement. Oh, are you sure? Because I thought like they had like an issue with too many people getting concussions, and then they're like, no, we can't do it. Maybe it was 15 rounds. I think. I don't think they can do 15 rounds anymore because like there's too many concussions and people were getting too messed up. I was listening to Rogan about this, so I'm no expert. I was just, and this is like a couple weeks ago. I don't want to short this. Not bad, guys. I kind of want to put a short on this. I'm like watching it. It's like it climbed so hard and now it's starting to stumble. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now for a short opportunity. That does look like a short. I mean, I would have liked to short it from the top right now, but it does show weakness to the downside. It might fall below the 50. Fall below the 50. High, high, low, low, low. Dude, if it breaks up to this, boom, we can just drop it, dude. Drop it back down to 35. It does look like it wants to come down. We've been above the 200 for a nice long while. That's good. Now it's smash it, man. Let's break it. Let's go find out what the heck Pippin is, too. I'm pretty sure it's a meme coin. Pippin. Dude, it's a what? It's 108 market cap? What the hell? What the actual heck, man? Dude, that's insanity. Absolute insanity. Hey, you know, I just want to give you guys so much thanks for joining us today because Fridays are our hardest day to stream, man. They're so slow. And the fact that, you know, we got YouTube going, you guys are boosting us, and X is going, and you got some Twitch people over there. I just want to give you guys a thanks. Pippin. What is Pippin? 32,000 holders? That's a decent amount of holders. Wallet spread out. Holders distribution. Top 10 hold 30%. Pippin is a SVG unicorn drawn using the latest LLM benchmark on ChatGPT-4. It's an autonomous AI agent on X. Pippin was created by Yohei Nakayumi. I hope I said that right, guys. Yohei Nakayumi, a recognized innovator and thought leader of the AI VC space, followed by Jeff Bezos and Mark Andreessen. He is known for his build and public approach and has been in the forefront of AI VC for a movement, launching over 100 AI-driven prototypes, automation agents, and open source projects. His most notable build on Baby AGI March 2023, first popular open source autonomous agent with task planning capability. The project went viral on Twitter, amassing millions of impressions and resulting in tens of thousands GitHub stars, dozens of area exhibits and citations, coverages across major online media publications globally, and many speaking agents, including the inaugural TED AI in San Francisco. Oh, well, you know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it isn't a meme. Maybe it's not a meme. I think it's still a meme. I think. I didn't really get clarity what it is. Somebody tell me, is Pippin a meme? Oh, yeah, I'm just talking to myself. Pippin is an SVG unicorn drawn. Yeah, it is a meme. It's just a drawn unicorn. Okay, let's go. We're going to X, guys. We're coming back over here, but wait. I don't know where my search bar went. Okay, we're gonna go to Pippin. Pippin. Yes, it's a meme. There you go. I knew it was a meme. That's a unicorn? What type of freaking unicorn is that? Dude, your AI agent didn't draw a unicorn looking thing to me. What the hell is this? What's coming out of its butt? Is that supposed to be its tail? What? Oh my gosh. I'm starting to see it more I look at it. But I feel like its unicorn is upside down. Why? I'm ranting. I just don't get meme coins, guys. That's all. I just don't. We can agree to disagree on that if you want. All right. We're going to head on over back to TradingView, and we're looking at other coins. Where's Prime? Oh, nice Alex Becker one too. I love looking at Alex Becker coins. He was all like, we've been holding this from sub 50 cents, and we made a 20x killing on it. We sold it at $17. Dude, this is Alex Becker, dude. He dumped this so hard on your faces. It's disgusting. The guys we bought back over here in the sub 50, he actually bought probably over here in the sub damn level seed thing. Did meme combat ever go anywhere? I've never even heard of that, so I couldn't tell you. Yeah, Alex Becker dumped this on everybody's faces. I refuse to say anything else. Hopcap, man, that's been a brutal ride too. Ouch, itchy. Though it does kind of look like a bottom though on PopCat. See, on the daily, you might actually be able to trade this. This doesn't look half bad, to be honest with you, on the daily. Now, I don't know if it's a full-on reversal, but it's the first big dot we've had since back over here. Green dot went down pretty bad. What about these ones? These ones played out, you know, boom, boom. You waited a week or two, you've been up pretty significantly on those trades. So this could be the beginning of a reversal. Guess we'll have to wait and see. There was manipulation on 3-day, but 3-day manipulation was on everything. Everything. Money flow still going down the 15-minute. I don't know, man. We'll have to wait and see. Did I hear a ping on X? Meme combat. Not X, sorry. This, I've never heard of this. It does look kind of fun though. It does look kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know anything about it. But I might take a look later. I seen it, Amelia. But I think if for me to try it out, I have to think around with it. Enter arena. Oh, I wouldn't touch it. Amelia. I just clicked on it and my malware thing like killed it. Like nope, don't touch it. That's all I know. My malware blocker pulled it up so fast like it was a hotcake. What did you make me click? Are you hacked, Amelia? Oh man, look at ADA against Bitcoin. Slotted against Bitcoin. Looks like they want to keep going down too. Oh, I don't know if it's bottomed yet. Zora's been doing really good today. Zora's been pumping. Oh no, you're good. Don't worry about it. Money flow going down. Green strength. 4 hour, dude. 4 hour still says it got gas in it, guys. I mean, it did touch the 21 and bounce off it, but Zora does look like it could keep going. 12 hour looks good. Yeah, guys. I think I might long this into the weekend. We might see. Put a little bit of money into it and chuck it. All right, guys, let's wrap it up. It's a happy Friday, man. I really enjoyed the stream with you guys. It's a really good night. Yesterday was super slow, but today we even kind of a little short. And usually Fridays are our worst days. We just had a lot of excitement today. We jumped over X, we jumped over charts, we jumped over liquidations and ETFs and all sorts of good stuff. And I just enjoy my time with you. And yeah, so on the other note, I'll be in the Discord. If you want to catch me around, hit me up in there. You have to sometimes shout me out because I get preoccupied. Circa, it's always a pleasure, good sir, having you in here. Amelia, you have a good night. What else do we have in here? Daily, what is up, man? What is up, dude? What? There are morons for sure. Yes, there are Anthony Vance. It's good seeing you, man. It's been a hot minute. John, stay warm, man. It's so dang cold in there. D, not you. I'll catch you later, brother. Crypto Queen, I'll see you on the other side. Who else do we have? Real meta in here. Oh yeah, Daniel Coffin. Daniel Coffin. You just have to learn, man, to handle those sour grapes, bro, because emotions go wild, bro. The fact that you can't control them in the chat is saying that you shouldn't be a guy who's trading. I'm not trying to like scoff at you. Trading's not for everybody. It's hard, but if you can figure out, man, more power to you, dude. Because anything that you don't let beat you, you can conquer and get even better at it. Hopefully someday you could be a better trader than me, and I would love to see that. I'd be like, yeah, dude, you figured it out. I'm proud of you. That's what I want to say. But all right, guys, stay blessed. T-Square out. Oh, I forgot to hit the button. No, I don't want to end it yet. Oh, I gotta hit this button. I almost just ended it. I forgot I hit the exit scene. Oh, Trent. I know you're in Ohio. What a great stream. We have a great crowd of people, man. They really make me feel special, blessed. You guys, they're blessed, guys. Thank you.